How to delete Brave browser history. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up Brave browser, and once you do that, click on the three dots at the bottom right corner of the screen, then click on history. And here you want to click on the orange text that says clear browsing data at the top left of the screen, and here you will be able to delete your search history on the Brave browser app. You can either use the basic tab or the advanced tab for even more customization. And once you're here, you want to select all of the things that you want to delete, and you can leave some of them unchecked if you don't want to delete those stuff, such say for example cached images and files or something like that. And once you have checked everything that you want to delete, you need to select a time range by clicking on this drop down right here, and say for example you want to delete the history of the last 24 hours. Once you do that, click on the orange button at the bottom right that says clear data, and that's it. Your history has been removed. It's that easy and simple. So that was it for this video. That's how we can clear and remove the Brave browser history. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.